Timothy Brown, game designer. Timothy B. Brown is an American game designer, primarily of role-playing games. He has been a designer at Game Designers Workshop, Career, GDW. Mark Miller, Frank Chadwick, Lester Smith, and Timothy Brown of GDW designed the new game Traveler 2300 1986 as an expansion of the original Traveler role-playing game. 58 Brown also designed the Gamer's Choice Award-winning Star Cruiser board game. Brown served as editor of GDW Challenge magazine. TSR. Brown went to TSR in 1989, where he eventually became Director of Game Development. 63 Brown was TSR Director of Product Development from 1991–1995 and oversaw the creation of their Ravenloft and Planescape game lines, among many other titles. Brown co-created the AD&D Dark Sun setting with Troy Denning and Mary Kirchhoff. Brown and Denning led the project, alongside fiction editor Kirchhoff, and they were soon joined by artist Brom, who contributed the unique illustrations that helped set Dark Sun apart from the other TSR settings, making Dark Sun the first of TSR world designs with a more artistic sensibility. 26 Brown and Denning also put together the 1991 D&D Black Box set, which became a top seller for TSR, selling 500,000 copies in the next 6 years. 27 Brown contributed to the design of Spellfire. After TSR, Brown later went on to found Destination Games and work with Imperium Games. 63 Destination Games produced Chaos Progenitus Dice Game 1996 and Pulp Dungeons, Uninvited Guests, 1997, authored by Gary Gygax. For Imperium's fourth edition of Traveler, also called Mark Miller's Traveler or T4, published in 1996, the designers worked on distinct parts of the rules, with Brown writing about aliens. A 331 Sweetpea Entertainment bought out the stock of the many creators who had worked on T4 and took over some of the day-to-day operations of the company. Brown took the helm of Imperium Games under Sweetpea's guidance and was now the only official staff for Imperium, with others acting as freelancers. A 332 Brown, James Ward, Lester Smith, John Danovich, and Sean Everett founded the short-lived D20 company Fast Forward Entertainment circa 2001–2005. A 351 Brown also contributed to the designs of the Wheel of Time collectible card game 1999 and the Dragon Ball Z collectible card game 2000. Personal life. Brown is an accomplished guitar player and teacher.